How to check Roblox email on Xbox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the process of accessing and verifying your Roblox email associated with your Roblox on Xbox. It's a straightforward procedure, so be sure to follow along. As you can observe, I'm recording this tutorial on my computer. This is because when you access the Roblox on your Xbox and navigate to your account page, you will notice that it does not display any information related to your email. Instead, it only shows the current link between your Xbox and Roblox accounts. To properly verify and view your email on Roblox, you need to visit the Roblox website at www.roblox.com, and I recommend doing this using a web browser on your computer or your phone. However, if you prefer to use your Xbox, you can utilize a web browser on the Xbox itself. After accessing the Roblox website through any web browser and logging into your account, simply click on the wheel located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the settings page where you will be able to verify and view your email. If you encounter difficulties recovering your accessing an email address you no longer have access to, visit help.roblox.com. Open a random article, scroll down and click on Need More Help. This will allow you to contact the customer support and describe your issue, enabling you to properly check your email with the assistance of Roblox support. I trust that this tutorial has been informative in guiding you through the process of checking your email on Roblox through the Xbox. If you found this video to be informative, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support.